Fourth, the green color for curbside pickups needs to be adjusted. Open the Resources panel, go to BrandKit, and then the Color tab. Now you could hover over the color, click the More Options icon, and click Edit to edit it. However, this would only correct it here, for this template. Any other template created later using the BrandKit we created at the beginning would then be flawed. Instead, look at the top. The auto sync is toggled on. This means we can fix the issue directly in GraFx BrandKits, and it will sync with all the templates using it. So let's go to GraFx BrandKits, open the Services BrandKit, and adjust the color here. If we go back to the template, we'll get a notification that the BrandKit has been synced. If we go back to BrandKit in the template, we can see the color has been updated. Now, let's go check it in run mode. All good?